Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The public take-up of the government's 20% stake in Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited has resulted in more than 22,000 applications, raising over 12 billion Jamaican dollars, exceeding the initial estimate of 9 billion Jamaican dollars. Finance Minister Favour Williams said the public response shows an increased understanding of the value of such investments. She states, "I feel very good about the reception of Jamaicans to this. It's a great investment, something that they understand. They use the toll road every day going to and from work. They see the potential of it because we're always going to be needing bigger and better roads," she pointed out. Victoria Mutual Building Society and Kingston Wharves Limited have signed a partnership agreement for a discounted mortgage package as part of Kingston Wharves' employee retention strategy. Speaking at the signing, Kingston Wharves CEO Mark Williams explained, "We work in an industry that requires specialized technical skills that are in high demand. It is therefore important that we provide the necessary incentives that will ensure that our team members remain invested in the company and continue to deliver with excellence." As part of the contract, permanent employees at Kingston Wharves can now access home loans of up to 7.5 million at specially guaranteed reduced mortgage rates through a new home ownership assistance program. The arrangement also allows employees to pool the 7.5 million benefit under the VMBS scheme with other sources of funding, such as those available through the major state mortgage agency, National Housing Trust. Supreme Ventures Limited has confirmed Krista Gay Fisher as Chief Executive Officer of Supreme Ventures Services Limited, effective Monday, April 1. She has been confirmed in the post, in which she had been acting for 10 months since the departure of Claire Ann Kennedy as CEO of Supreme Ventures Services Limited, and Ibet Ghana, having resigned on June 30, 2024. In another significant corporate move, JMMB Group is announcing the appointment of Christopher Walker, who takes the helm as Chief Executive Officer of JMMB Investments Limited, effective April 1. Walker was formerly CEO of JMMB Fund Managers Limited and Group Fund Operations Oversight Manager, according to the Regional Financial House. He will now oversee equities, fixed income, and fund management within the group. In the meantime, Keisha Forbes will continue as Chief Country Officer for Jamaica, while Keith Duncan remains JMMB Group CEO. For the trading period ending April 2, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Gas station operator Regency Petroleum Company Limited with 17,015,135 units traded, representing 28.51% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 11,274,575 units traded, representing 18.89% of market sales volume. Caribbean financial conglomerate JMMB Group Limited, 10% variable rate Jamaican dollar preference shares with 10,075,805 units traded, representing 16.88% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On April 2, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $58.49 million purchased and US $66.59 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.16 per dollar, selling the US at $157.98 and buying the US at $156.82. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.98 per transaction, with selling at $111.08 and buying at $109.10. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.15 in profits, with selling at $205.14 and buying at $203.99. For our credit report tip of the day, the right financial team at your bank can make a significant difference in your journey to financial stability. Rebuilding your credit after a personal setback can feel like an uphill battle, but you don't have to do it alone. Your bank can be a valuable partner in your financial recovery if you know how to build the right relationships. For example, you can join credit counseling programs offered by the bank. Some banks offer free credit counseling to help customers develop a strategic credit repair plan. Also, inquire about special credit programs. Banks often have special lending programs for individuals who are rebuilding credit. So ask about alternative credit products. For women over the age of 45, building something from nothing to resilience and recovery for your financial life is a serious journey, because we all know life throws unexpected challenges, job loss, divorce, illness, business setbacks, and suddenly income streams dry up and your bank balance looks alarming. But here's the truth. Setbacks don't define you. Your ability to pivot does. So one powerful strategy, asset swapping, the practice of leveraging what you already own to regain financial momentum. So here are some ideas for you to think about. REITs, which are real estate investment trusts. If managing property is overwhelming, invest in REITs for passive income. Then there's peer-to-peer lending. So lend small amounts to vetted borrowers and earn interest. And if you are really into the digital world, there's crypto staking and yield farming. So if you hold digital assets, consider passive income strategies in the crypto world. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.